You go, I go, you stay, I stay. One song to sing.
We're going?
Say Disneyland. Disneyland.
Show them your ticket. Alright, so that's Sonia's surprise anniversary present. I made this ticket. We're all going to Disneyland for a day and we're staying the night. I got a room at Disneyland, what's it called? Disneyland Pier Hotel. So it's been a good time. We're going to take you with us. It's going to be a full day of eating and a full day of fun. A little pit stop. Have breakfast here. We're almost there. Probably like 10 minutes away. Riley, we're here. Come on, let's go. Come on. Look at that. What are you doing? Coloring? Say hi. Are you excited? We're gonna go to Disneyland? She was asleep most of the way, which is good. We're almost there.
Let me get a booster, okay?
Thank you. Look, I hooked up Riley's iPod with a Barney wallpaper. Who's that? Who's that, Bonnie? We are periscoping for you guys.
What's up, BK? Yeah, 3-8.
Say what's up, YouTube.
Aw, thanks.
Look at Riley's.
What does she want?
Meal one.
Strawberry? Sweetheart, here's your fork.
You made him sad.
Strawberry?
So Riley's meal, pancake, eggs, and then we're just waiting on our pancakes. So Sonny got 2 turkey bacons, 4 egg whites. I got the same, I think I got 4 egg whites, 4 turkey bacons though, and then hash browns, and then I got pancakes coming. Look at that.
There you go. Thank you.
Alright, so that's meal 1. Just got to our hotel. We're gonna drop off our luggage, grab our tickets at the front desk, and then head over. Place is nice. So since I ordered off Disney's website, you get this cool little package. Oops.
And then a phone number.
The parking is going to close.
Sleeping Beauty Castle for the Diamond March Along.
It is hot, guys. Look at this.
Disneyland Band. Mickey Mouse and his pals will be there.
So much fun.
And you can take part in a march down Main Street, USA.
Do a hike.
So head over to Sleeping Beauty Castle now. It all begins in just a few minutes.
Alright, let's go. I just ran into Mark from San Jose. Say what's up, man. You want to give a shout out to any of your boys?
Yeah, DJ, man. You know, your boy out here. Hot.
It's crazy that he just recognized me. He's just like, looked at me though. I'm like, coach? I'm like, yeah, that's me. Got some dibs here. This is my go-to when it's hot. Some ice cream. Easy to eat, no spoon. Macros. For one container, 24 fat, 30 carb, 2 protein. That's my face. But how crowded Disneyland is on a Thursday. Like any small ride's like an hour at least to freaking wait. I don't know, I was telling Sonia that I didn't want to take the kids to Disneyland until, you know, Riley was at least like 5 and Kendall was at least, you know, like 4, till they're bigger, really, just because it's hard. You know, Kendall's sleeping and cranky, but Sonia's been wanting to go, so I just, you know, it was for her anniversary present, her birthday. But Sonia and Riley are in line over there, that little roller coaster. I've been in line for like 30 minutes already. I definitely want to take Riley on the teacups. I'll wait in line. I'll wait an hour for that. Oh, I did have a mint chocolate, a mint Quest bar. I brought some Quest bars just to get my fiber in. I inhaled the mint one. So I'll probably have 2 Quest bars today, hit my fiber. And after those dibs, I'm pretty full. I'm good. Probably get to like dinner. Hey guys, it's 2:45. We are gonna go check in our hotel, but we stopped by ESPN Zone. I'm gonna have lunch real quick before we go back to the room, check it out. But we're gonna go back. Maybe I'm gonna take a shower. Kids are gonna take a nap, and then we're gonna come back when it gets dark. We're gonna try to catch the fireworks, and I think there might be a parade, so we'll see. I haven't been Disneyland in a long time. We used to come up here all the time, downtown Disney, and hang out at this ESPN Zone. Upstairs there is like an arcade. It's like Dave & Buster's kind of. Come here and drink and hang out, eat. Downtown Disney's real nice. Riley, get your choo-choo train. Stop by one of the shops. We need to get Riley some Mickey ears. We're gonna go with just the regular Mickey ears, the pink ones, but I don't think they would stay on. Her head is still too small. But we got this one, and she liked that choo-choo train, Disney choo-choo train, and then Sonia got her some earrings, and then Sonia got a coffee cup, a mug. Man, my old stomping ground, seriously. We used to come here like maybe twice a month. Uh-oh. Riley, say, Riley, is that not comfortable? It's bothering you? Oh, it's nice and cold in here. Let me get a burger. Probably a burger and a beer. Happy anniversary. Cheers, Riley. Cheers. Riley has lemonade. Oh. I got a hef with an orange. Got a Merlot. Hef and an orange, so refreshing. It goes with like a pizza, burger. It used to be my go-to beer all the time when I'm eating food. But when I'm just drinking, you know, trying to get a buzz going, I get something darker. But something like light like this goes with burger, beer. I mean, burger and pizza. But you got to do that orange. So ask for an extra patty, bacon, cheese. We got fries. There's tomato, pickles, and lettuce in there. Well, this is a pretty big burger. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it. I'll check in with you guys in like 5 minutes. Alright, never mind. I finished it pretty easy. 5 minutes later. We just got to the hotel room. 2 queen beds. Give you guys a quick tour. Got a beach ball pillow. That's a cute little theme. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Why are you crying? Here. Come on. TV. Is that a fridge? A fridge. Closet. And the bathroom. Pretty simple. Alright, we're gonna relax. I'm gonna take a nap, take a shower, and then we're gonna head back when it gets dark. They're having fireworks and a parade.
Can we get our luggage center, please? It is 457.
Your choo-choo? Move it. Say choo-choo. Choo-choo. Another Quest bar. Make an effort to, even when I don't count, I try to get my protein and fiber in for the day. Yeah, can I get a pizza? The brick oven pizza? Can I get ham, pineapple, and that's it. Can I also get the dessert, the 3-scoop bowl of ice cream? I'll do vanilla and strawberry, like 2 vanillas and 1 strawberry. Diet Coke. That's it, thank you. Yes. Querido, Q-U-E-R-I-D-O. Alright, thank you. So we have been in the room since, what time? Like 4? Yeah, we got here at 4. Yeah, so our plan was to take a nap and go back, but the kids were tired. They weren't having it, so we all ended up just taking a nap and waking up. And it's like 8:30, almost 9 now, so we're just gonna call it a night. Kids had enough. We'll have this pizza, ice cream, and then go to bed. I haven't seen that one before.
Put that in the fridge so it doesn't melt.
Alright, it is, what's today, Friday morning. It's about 10 o'clock. We're heading downstairs, checking out. We're going to go get some breakfast. They have like a nice little breakfast buffet downstairs. Still waiting. It is 10:40. I'm waiting for about 35 minutes. The line is still long, but it's popping, so should be worth it. I'm craving some, I don't know, I think waffles. Waffles, some eggs, and some fruit. Hopefully they have some. Riley's freaking out. There's the characters just walk around and say hi. We took a picture with Mickey earlier. I'll show you guys that right now. Alright, first round I got some scrambled eggs, potatoes, sausage, Mickey pancakes, and some Mickey waffles. You want to say hi to Mickey again? Right, the food here is pretty good. Most like buffet, brunch, breakfast styles are like, I don't know, like food's a little stale, not too much flavor, but this stuff is, their eggs are really good, pancakes, everything is on point. And it's really nice for the kids. Riley's loving it with all the characters just walking around, taking pictures. We got tons of pictures. Oh, say hi, Riley. Look, it's Minnie Mouse. Say hi. So here's a little picture package that I just bought. The picture's really nice of Riley. And then the family picture. Thanks, man. You got it? Got it. Give him 5. Yeah. Alright, I'm good to go. I'm just going to finish off with some fruit, honeydew, cantaloupe, and then 2 of these flatbread, like breakfast flatbreads. I think it has bacon, cheese, eggs. Ready to sing?
There you go. Okay, guys, and a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sippity doo dah, sippity. My oh my, it's your birthday. Look at the sunshine headed your way. Sippity doo dah, happy birthday.
Yay! Hey guys, it's 5:30. We got home around, I think, 1. First thing I did was take a nap. I feel good. I don't usually take naps midday. It was kind of hard, but I was falling asleep on the way home driving. Just pretty exhausted. But came home to Men's Sports shipment. I was actually good on most things, but it's nice to get my stock and just add it to my my collection. I do a lot of the Sour Batch Isoaminos, New Pump, the Pep Test Bulk. I use this N-Force, this Carb Sup. It's on their site. I've never really used anything like this, but since they sponsor me, I get it for free. I try it out. What you're supposed to do is take it about an hour, I think 20 minutes prior to training, and I take it about 30 minutes before I eat any carb meal. So I'm not going to go in depth about it, but I mean, if you have the money, I consider this a luxury supplement. You don't need it to make gains. You don't need it to make progress, but I take advantage of my sponsorship. If you have the extra money to spend on it, go for it. Try it out. And then I do the Novogen XT. I'm actually cycling off of it right now. That's pretty much it. And then I also use the Orotine. I didn't need any of that this shipment, I don't think. And then me and Tanks we got Ape sent us the new Hyper Tees in the black and the white. I'm excited to rock this white. I already washed and dried it. It's already in the laundry. It's clean, ready to go. I'll probably rock it tomorrow. But these are Tanksters. And Tankster wears a large. I wear XL. Sonny wears a small. And like always, my discount codes are in the description box for Ape and Man Sports. They're both the online coach. Man Sports is 20% off, and Ape is 10%. What's up, guys? Back at the campus feels good. I miss this place. I don't know. I love my gym. I love the campus. I love being here. I love being on the grind. It's not even a grind to me. It's my passion. I love it. I miss this place. But some stuff. What's the word? Updates. Some updates. The mirror got fixed while I was gone. They came. What time did they come yesterday?
Around 10.
Yeah. So they got mirrors fixed. What we did was I moved the J-hooks from that rack, and we completely took them away. So we have J-hooks on the squat racks and one extra pair outside of the squat racks for some OHPs. So I'm kind of putting out the sign or the hint to not OHP over there anymore. We just put the dip bar in front. So that's cool. But anyways, I have a package here. I want to wrap up this vlog, and I want to end it with an unboxing. It's always nice to come home to packages. We got the man stuff. Orange box. So these are some more Tavas, just because I tried those black murdered out Tavas and I like them. These are very, very clean. This colorway is called the Tava's Print. Wolf Gray, Blue, Wolf Gray. You guys are used to me dead stocking. A lot of you guys are Snapchatting me, sending me DMs of you undead stocking your shoes. It's cool. It's funny. I know I'm weird. I'm the only person that you've probably known that does this, but here we go. Good luck. Anyways, I'm going to wrap up today's vlog. I don't know how I'm going to put together all this footage, but I'm probably going to do one video for the whole trip. So I'm going to be back on schedule tomorrow. We're going to hit a push day today. And then, so we skipped a day, right?
Yeah.
So I think we're going to change up our schedule, and for now, just to change things up and just get away from the norm, we're going to have Wednesdays off instead of Sundays. We usually get bored on Sundays and want to train anyway, so, right?
Thursdays off.
I mean, Thursdays off. Thursdays off. So we go push-pull, legs, off Thursday, push-pull, legs, off. I mean, I'm out of it. Push-pull, legs. Yeah. Push-pull, legs, off Thursday, push-pull, legs, and then repeat. So our only day off will be Thursday, and we train on Sunday. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed all this footage with me, my family, Disneyland, everything. I try to film as much as I could without taking away from, the experience, the time with my family. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.
You go, I go, you stay, I say. One song to see.